Ever wondered how your AI assistant really solves problems? Is it thinking through logic, or is it just grabbing a memorized answer? Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking study that reveals how large language models, like the ones powering your favorite chatbots, might function more like smart guessers than true reasoners. Let's start with the fundamentals. Large language models, LLMs, are trained on vast datasets of text, learning to predict the next token in a sequence. This enables them to generate coherent responses, but here's the key question. Do they actually understand the problem, or are they relying on statistical patterns? Think of it like a student who's memorized answers but doesn't grasp the underlying concepts. The researchers designed a clever experiment to test this. They presented models with math problems where the answer was either explicitly stated or hidden. For example, if you remove one side of a square, how many corners remain? When the answer, 4, was visible, models performed flawlessly. But when the answer was masked, replaced with a blank, their accuracy dropped by 26.9%. Even when the reasoning steps were intact, they struggled. This suggests models prioritize the final answer over the logic leading to it. Why does this matter? If LLMs are merely regurgitating memorized patterns, their reasoning is fragile. A slight rephrasing or twist in a question can derail them entirely. Imagine deploying such systems in critical fields like healthcare, law, or engineering. If an AI recommends a treatment based on a memorized script rather than true understanding, the consequences could be severe. The study uncovered an even deeper insight. LLMs often engage in post-hoc rationalization. They fabricate reasoning after the fact, creating the illusion of logic without genuine comprehension. This explains why they can recite solutions to familiar problems, but falter when faced with novel variations. Their reasoning is surface level, lacking the flexibility and depth of human cognition. So what's the takeaway? LLMs are undeniably powerful tools, but this research exposes a critical gap. They're not true reasoning machines. They're sophisticated pattern matchers, optimized for imitation rather than understanding. However, this discovery is a catalyst for progress. By identifying these limitations, researchers can refine models to move beyond mimicry toward genuine reasoning. Next time you interact with an AI, remember, it's brilliant but still learning. The future of AI might hinge on teaching these systems to think, not just simulate thought. What's your take? Are we closer to AI that understands, or just AI that pretends? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you want more deep dives into AI's cutting edge, hit that subscribe button. Stay curious, because the next breakthrough could be just a question away.